Gippsland Region Public Health Unit is committed to improving the health and wellbeing of our community. Tackling smoking and vaping related harm is one of our key priority areas, particularly reducing exposure to secondhand smoke and aerosols from vapes. Gippsland Region Public Health Unit developed the Breathe Easy Gippsland campaign to take action on this issue. The campaign was modelled off Breathe Easy Melbourne, which was developed by the City of Melbourne. And we developed our local campaign in conjunction with prevention partners such as local councils, with health promotion practitioners, with peak bodies and experts.
With the introduction of e-cigarettes in Australia, vaping in public areas has become another health issue. Now, many people think these products are just water vapour. They are not. So these products contain a cocktail of toxic chemicals, and when they are used, an aerosol is produced and goes out into the air. So it's really important that governments take action to reduce exposure to tobacco cigarette smoke, but also to e-cigarette aerosol. And it's really great to see that Gippsland is taking steps to prioritise the health of the public in this space.
As part of the campaign, it was really important to understand the community's attitudes towards greater action on smoking and vaping, as well as the expansion of smoke and vape-free zones. In order to understand community attitudes, we wanted to speak with the community, so we conducted street-level talks, pop-up events, we communicated through local newsletters, through schools, through social media and local media. We also undertook a survey. Over 90% of survey respondents told us that they wanted greater action on smoking and vaping, including support for expanding smoke and vape-free zones. There were three main reasons why survey respondents said that they wanted greater action on this issue. Firstly, to protect people from exposure to secondhand smoke and aerosols from vapes. The second reason was around high-density areas in terms of where there's lots of traffic. The third reason was around protecting places where people eat and where they exercise. Over half of respondents who were Gippsland business owners or managers told us they didn't think the expansion of smoke and vape-free zones would have any effect on their business, and 30% in fact thought that it might have a positive impact. So next steps for Breathe Easy Gippsland. So firstly, the survey findings have shown us that the community has overwhelming support for greater action on smoking and vaping, including the expansion of smoke and vape-free zones. Secondly, it's around using these findings to inform greater advocacy and action in our local communities. And what that means is working with partners to advocate for expansion of smoke and vape-free zones, and ultimately working towards policies that enable this best practice so that we can improve the health for all.